Think airports in 2026 will look the same? Think again. Your face is now your boarding pass. Your phone replaces your passport. And hidden inside your ticket? Fees you didn't see coming. While most travelers scramble at the gate trying to figure out what changed, you'll already know the game. We're breaking down every major shift coming to airports this year. What saves you time, what costs you money, and how to stay ahead of the chaos. Let's go. Your phone is your new ID. 2026 is the year your wallet goes digital. TSA now accepts mobile driver's licenses from your Apple or Google Wallet. Tap your phone at security and you're through. Sounds like the future, right? Here's the catch. It only works at select airports. Some checkpoints reject them. Scanners fail. And when they do, you're back in line scrambling for a backup. Pro tip: always carry your physical ID. Even TSA calls digital IDs an optional convenience. Remember that May 7th, 2025 Real ID deadline? If your license doesn't have the gold star, you need your passport, even for domestic flights. But here's where it gets wild. The US is testing digital travel credentials. Your face becomes your boarding pass. No paper, no plastic, just biometric scans at the gate. Atlanta, Dallas, and LA are already piloting it. The future's arriving fast, but your passport, still your best backup plan.
Europe just changed the game. Flying to Europe in 2026, your arrival just got a whole lot more technical. The EU's Entry-Exit System, EES, launches October 2025 and becomes mandatory April 10, 2026. What does that mean for you? Every time you enter or leave the Schengen zone, basically most of Europe, your photo and fingerprints get scanned and stored digitally. Gone are the days of a quick passport stamp. Now you're facing biometric gates and automated scanners. First-timers, add a few extra minutes. Once you're in the system, future trips move faster. But if you're connecting through Europe, build in serious buffer time between flights. And it gets bigger. ETIS, Europe's version of the US ESTA, launches late 2026. US travelers will need to apply online before flying, even for short trips. It's only €7 and takes minutes, but forget it, you're not boarding. Pro move: traveling with someone? Register together during your first EES entry to stay in the same security lane.
They're charging you more. 2026 isn't just reshaping air travel, it's reshaping your wallet. Starting April 1st, the UK's air passenger duty jumps again. Premium cabin flights leaving the UK just got significantly pricier. And fuel surcharges? They're sneaking into ticket prices worldwide. But here's the silver lining. The US Department of Transportation just forced airlines to issue automatic refunds for canceled or significantly delayed flights. No more 4-hour hold music. No more begging. Paid for seat upgrades or Wi-Fi that never worked? You're getting refunded automatically. The catch? Keep screenshots of delay times and receipts for everything. Automation only works when the data's there. Missing proof slows your refund. And here's your power move. If your flight's canceled overnight, ask the gate agent for the airline's customer service plan. Many are now required to offer hotel or meal vouchers for eligible delays. The airlines finally have to play fair, but only if you know your rights. The liquid rule everyone thought was dead. Let's clear this up once and for all. Despite what TikTok told you, the 311 liquids rule is not going anywhere in 2026. Still 3.4 ounces max, still in a clear quart-size bag, still annoying. But here's what did change: the scanners. Many US airports now use CT scanners that see through your bag in 3D. Where these exist, you can leave liquids and laptops packed. No more bag and packing dance. The problem? Not every airport has them. Chicago O'Hare, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Miami do. Smaller airports mostly don't. Bottom line,
Pack like it's still 2010 unless you're 100% sure your airport upgraded. And here's the kicker. Airlines are cracking down on carry-on sizes again. Southwest is overhauling baggage policies starting 2026. Show up with an oversized bag? That's $75 at the gate. Weigh your bags, measure your liquids, save yourself the hassle. The Smart Traveler's tech stack for 2026. Want to actually breeze through airports? Here's what works. Mobile Passport Control, MPC, the official U.S. Customs app that lets you submit arrival info before reaching the officer. It's 100% free and works at over 50 airports. If you fly internationally twice a year, download it now. Global Entry, still the gold standard. Use TSA pre-check lanes domestically and skip customs lines internationally, even if your travel buddy doesn't have it. Clear Plus, expanding fast in 2026, but here's the truth. It only speeds up ID checks, not TSA screening itself. Pair it with pre-check for maximum efficiency. And facial recognition boarding? It's becoming the norm. By year's end, most U.S. international terminals will board by face scan instead of paper passes. Uncomfortable? You can opt out, just ask for manual verification. The future? Your passport living securely in your phone through digital travel credentials. Trials are expanding rapidly. Your new travel essentials? ID, passport, phone. That's the triangle. Master it now. Your 2026 Travel Survival Checklist. Let's lock this in. Carry a real ID license or passport. Physical always wins. Digital ID? Only use it if your state and airport both support it. Pack liquids under 3.4 ounces. TSA still cares, trust me. Europe bound? Know your EES timeline and apply for ETIAS early. Save every receipt. Refund claims need proof. Enroll in MPC or Global Entry. Skip the customs nightmare. Don't be the person arguing at the gate because your digital ID glitched. Travel in 2026 isn't harder, it just rewards preparation. If this saved you a headache, hit subscribe and share it with that friend who still argues with TSA about their water bottle. Now, want to know what airlines are hiding? Airports are loaded with psychological tricks, silent money traps, and shockingly banned items most travelers never notice. Today, you're joining the Insider Club. Airlines won't like this, but we're not here to play nice. Let's expose it all. How airports are literally designed to hijack your wallet. Ever feel weirdly calm at your gate? That's no accident. Lower ceilings, soft carpets, warm lighting, it's all engineered to manipulate your brain into spending. Studies prove relaxed passengers drop 10% more at duty-free shops. And that long walk to your gate through endless stores? That's the golden walk strategy. Airports force you past every tempting shop possible. You're not just walking to a gate, you're trapped in a giant, overpriced vending machine designed to empty your wallet before takeoff. Hidden security tricks they don't tell you. That cloth TSA swabs on your palms? They're scanning for trace explosives, not germs. And some airports run facial recognition before you reach the gate. Here's a loophole. Frozen liquids like breast milk or medication can pass through security. Just declare them frozen. By TSA standards, frozen isn't liquid. The dangerous journey of your luggage. What happens after your bag vanishes on that conveyor belt? Chaos! Machines sort bags by barcode, but if the belt's too slow, too fast, or an old sticker's still attached, your bag ends up in Aruba while you're stuck in Chicago. It's not lost, it's just confused. Always remove old tags.